If there is one hole in your countertop or sink, feed the hoses and faucet shank through the spout base gasket and align it to the base of the faucet. Then insert the entire assembly into the mounting hole. Make sure the handle is on your right and the spout is facing you. Underneath your countertop or sink, slide the support bracket over the hoses and faucet shank. Then slide the mounting washer onto the faucet shank. Make sure the hoses are in the curve of the washer. Thread the mounting nut onto the faucet shank with your fingers. Make sure the faucet is positioned properly. Tighten the mounting nut with the provided installation tool. Inserting a screwdriver at the end of the tool makes tightening easier. Notice the rough edges on the faucet shank. Thread the hose guide nut on the end to protect the pull-down hose from rubbing against the edges. The hot supply line, which has a white tag, should be connected to the hot water inlet. Secure the connection with an adjustable wrench. You want the connection to be snug, but don't over-tighten. Now attach the cold side in the same way. Feed the small end of the pull-down hose into the faucet spout. Remove the protective cap on the end of the hose. Connect the pull-down hose to the faucet with our innovative Duralock Quick Connect system. Simply insert the hose into the connector. An audible click indicates a secure connection. The hose weight should be positioned between the white hose locator mark and just above the loop curve in the pull-down hose. Turn the hot and cold water inlets back on. Position the pull-down hose into the sink and turn on the faucet. Let the water run for about 15 seconds. Remove the protective cover on the end of the spray wand. Thread the spray wand onto the pull-down hose. Tighten it with an adjustable wrench, just until the hose nut is flush with the wand. Be careful not to over-tighten.